So someone wanted to know what the neuro-ophthalmic implications of pneumosinus dilatans is, and it's what it sounds like. The sinus is expanded, and that's air expansion. A dilated sinus, one of the paranasal sinuses, frontal, ethmoid, sphenoid, one of the paranasal sinuses, and the expansion of the sinus is without having an adjacent or intrasinus lesion causing bony destruction or the typical ENT things. So it's like a sinus thing without an ENT thing. So they don't have a sinus disease. And the reason it's important to neuro-op is it's thought to be from obstruction, and that obstruction causes a ball valve effect where the air can go in but it can't come out, and so the sinus gets bigger and bigger. And so this is a dilated air-filled sinus, but it's not an ENT thing in neuro-op. In neuro-op, what it's from is from a slow-growing tumor in the intracranial cavity that is pressing on the outflow. And so it's thought that pneumosinus dilatans, the finding of a dilated air-filled sinus without an accompanying ENT problem, represents obstruction of the ostium, leading to a ball valve effect, and that could be a sign, a radiographic sign, that there's a tumor adjacent there. And the tumor that we're worried about in the sphenoid bone or the anterior clinoid is meningioma, and therefore it can cause vision loss from adjacent optic neuropathy. So the combination of optic neuropathy and a radiographic sign, pneumosinus dilatans without an ENT sign, could represent an adjacent occult meningioma.